Right, this is how far we've got now. It's all sanded. I don't want to bore you with that. I put a burn on the edge here, and yes, I burnt my finger and I caught my thumb here, as per usual. Yes, it hurt. But now we're going to put one coat of sanding sealer in, maybe two. Then I'm going to use, hold on, don't go away, this chestnut gilt cream gold. I've not used it yet, so it may be a failure, I don't know, but oh, it smells lovely. Smells of home in the 70s. There you go. We're going to be using that in a minute. I'm going to put the sanding sealer on first. I'll show you how to do that. Won't take long. This stuff is excellent. As you can see, it's chestnut again. I only use chestnut products. Decent amount on. Then work it well in. As you can see, it's taking it in immediately, so I need more. A lot more, which I'll have to buy some more from Biven Machinery in Blackpool. So you get all your stuff from there. Right. Rub that well in. I've got Yorkshire grit. I could use it, but I've not. Not with this piece. A bit more. Just to get in all the little bits. Now, we'll leave that to dry. Now, don't leave it too long because it'll be hard to work off. But that's it so far.